Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Hey guys. So today I'm gonna react to Jinsoul Loona. So Jinsoul, she's really cute, to be honest. Very good visuals. I don't know how her song is gonna sound like, but I feel like it's a little bit more sexy for, because I heard Kim Lip's one and it's a little like very, very sexy. That's all I could say. But anyway, I'm gonna just get into it real quick. Not too long of an intro. But anyway, just follow me on Twitter and Snapchat. I'll leave it right here somewhere. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright, let's get into it. Alright. 3, 2, 1, play. Good on volume. Check. Loona. Oh, let's scoosh over here real quick.
Hey boy.
Hey.
I'm thinking about us.
Yo, the visuals, yo. Let me turn it down a little bit. What's the fish for? Yo. Okay, let me just ask this real quick. Is them running having like a thing for like their concept, their theories of like the Looniverse? Because I've seen that a lot. Like they're always running. So I don't know. You tell me. I don't know. She has really like good skin. Like looks very soft. Hey, ooh. Oh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Singing in the... Okay, I can't sing. A lot of fish. Whoa. I like the cinematography, like the effects. Pretty cool. Is she like, okay, her thing is a fish, right? So I don't know. I'll just talk later. Hey. Yo, check this out. Yo, that just stabs you. Like, I don't know, just high quality fish. See, like a beta fish. Is that her thing? I should put do not disturb. Singing in the rain. Hey, okay, looking up. What do you guys think about her hair? Like, do you like the blonde hair on her? Because, in my opinion, I think it looks good. Looks good. Ooh, boy! She could kill someone like that. Oh my gosh. Oh, yo. 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 Guys. It's cute. I got really wet doing like these takes. So she's the blue beta fish. She's the blue beta fish. Yo, something about girls with ponytails just kill me. Woo. Hey, boy. I've been reacting to so many EXO, I keep saying boy now. Hey, girl. Yo. She's wet because she put herself in the tank, and I don't know, I'm just guessing. Yo, I want to know more. Okay, I was told to read the description, but there's nothing. You guys led me astray. I'm starting to like this Jinsoul and Kim Lip because like their song is like, their solo songs are like, wow. I like it. So who's next? Cherry's next? Is that how you say your name, Cherry, right? So I'll watch hers next. Thanks for always commenting on my videos, and I'll get back to you guys soon. Tomorrow I will be doing EXO. That's what you guys all look forward to anyway, so like and subscribe and comment, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, all right, peace.